Merry Christmas, Peachy.
But is this for Marshmallow?
You know what?
Wait!
Dottie
Wait!
got that. Grandma got that for Joy. Too loud, honey.
Wait, Peachy!
Joy, too
Daddy,
loud.
Daddy, let's watch Peachy open her present.
Okay.
Mama, I want to eat
Marshmallow didn't want those. Because Grandma tried to give some to Marshmallow, but he didn't want any.
Oh my goodness, Peachy!
So we'll see if the birds want it or Peachy wants it.
Oh, no.
What Marshmallow get, Angie?
It's a mama.
Ooh, a fun toy for Marshmallow to play with.
She got this! She got this!
Whoa, a rainbow color thing.
What else, Peachy?
With your picture on it. You got stocking full of treats.
Whoa! She got a wheel!
Peachy got a wheel. Oh, Peachy. What a Christmas.
Daddy's laughing. Daddy's laughing. Here, go on your wheel.
Show us, how did Peachy get this stocking?
I made it.
You made it for Peachy.
Because I love it. This is Daddy. This was Katie's. Mommy's
No,
friend.
it was Grandma's. She bought it for
Really?
Marshmallow. He didn't want it.
Of course.
So Peachy gets it. And she likes it. Look, she wants another one.
I want another one. No. I'll give you another one later.
Peachy got that as a painting.
Yes, Peachy
What
got a
does it say?
painting.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I love you.
I love you, Peachy. It's your first Christmas. From Joy to Peachy.
Do you like it, Peachy?
Some of the crayons fell off, but it's still very rainbowy.
Do you like it? Why is Daddy laughing? Why is Daddy laughing?
It's so cute.
Because I made a painting for a hamster. Open your stocking.
What, honey?
Open your stocking.
Oh, yeah, Mommy and Daddy's stockings. And Marshmallow got a toy to play with.
I love her.
And some treats from Grandma that he didn't actually want. Peachy, does she like her wheel?
Alive.
Joy takes good care of
I
Peachy.
do take good care of her. She gets adventures and that's lucky for her. She gets adventures.
What kind of
Oh,
adventures?
here.
What are you doing?
I'm putting it in my stocking.
Be careful.
Okay, she's going in.
She has officially reached the bottom. Do you want to come out?
She's gonna put this in her cage.
No,
Here,
she
above
wants
your cage.
Decoration near the cage.
You like it?
Yeah. I'm sure Peachy likes.
She's cute. Look at her. Aww.
And your Christmas ornament of Peachy.
Oh yeah. Daddy, this is also me and Peachy. It's her first Christmas. Why are you laughing?
Cute.
She's so cute.
She
Do-
pooped. Did she?
No.
She doesn't use
Do you want
those.
to sleep, Peachy? I'll go put you away.
You get to put her new wheel in her.
Christmas.
It's her new wheel in her tank later today. She's been waiting for that, huh?
Yes, you have.
Yes.
It's a dumbbell.
It's a chew toy Dumble
Oh,
thing
the chew on it?
for Marshmallow.
Wow.
Because he's a strong little boy.
Wow.
And he likes toys
And
like
these
that.
are
He
birds?
doesn't like treats. Yeah, that's for the birds. It's a new toy because all they play with is a shoelace. That's their favorite toy in their cage right now.
Do you like Peach's present?
Yeah.
Oh, Bravo.
Bravo went outside.
Here, Bravo.
I lost Bravo's present because he was getting into it last night, and then I hid it somewhere. And I don't remember where I did. I hide it. Where did I hide it? It was too late. I was wrapping so many presents.
Daddy, I need your help.
See, can we do that later? It's
Why?
too much. But
Yeah, we're gonna have breakfast.
yeah. You got the closet too for Johnny doll?
Yes. I already have one.
Have one what?
I
Happy
already have
Merry
one.
Christmas.
Remember, I have a closet.